Hello everyone, I'm Pascale Faublas, a mixed media artist based in Port-au-Prince, Haiti. I'm very honored to have been selected by the Haiti Cultural Exchange to be part of the Rasin Lakay program 2021. And I'll be sharing with you my art on a series called Fanm, Women. Here we are in my studio in La Boule in the mountain of Port-au-Prince. I'm really grateful to my family, so I have this quiet, inspiring place so I can create. I have most of my tools, brushes, and stuff around here in these little cabinets. I have things for my collage, fabrics, threads, needles, pins, glues. Ready to be used. In fact, my studio is also my living room. So, yeah. Exploring the feminine gender in my Fanm body of work, I also wanted to boldly address the feminine sex topic. So here is Miwa Fanm, Mirrors of Women. These mirrors are spaces telling feelings and emotions from unique but many vagina stories. Stories of happiness, love, sensuality, sexuality, stories of violence, rebellion, mourning, and so on. I work with ink and water in an aquarellish technique on the white canvas. I love to create accidentally lines and forms with brushes, sponges, and my fingers. Part of my work process is waxing. I use wax in a batik technique. I just like it for it gives the work texture and depth from my point of view. I also make collage with embroidered lace. Embroidery, which is traditionally a feminine task in our Caribbean societies. I made the embroidery with red thread, a reminder of complicated and deep relationship of women with blood. And I did the embroidery on lace, a reminder of lingerie, of fine lingerie, another feminine and intimate feminine accessory. Final touch, I framed the work with gold ornaments for the idea of vagina framed in golden jewelry boxes.